Hello there world, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. This is just a completely trash table I found. It was $5 at a thrift store. The leather top was completely destroyed, but I felt like it had good bones and I wanted to try a couple new techniques, especially blending techniques and using these high contrast type colors. I know this look isn't necessarily for everybody, but it was super fun to do. And I could have stopped probably 4 different times and it would have made a really great piece. And this is just me starting with a hot pink base and doing some texturing. And then I just layer on different colors. I used probably 6 or 7 different colors total. And stencil techniques. And then I ended up sealing the top in. I might use it for like a plant stand. Not sure. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy the final outcome. And if you ever wondered what Barbie's furniture would look like after an apocalypse, here you go. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye-bye.